Hey, curious minds. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really happening out there? Well, let me take you on a quick trip about 400 kilometers above your head, where there's a science lab the size of a football field zooming around Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I'm talking about the International Space Station, or ISS for short. So, what exactly is the ISS? Imagine a giant floating laboratory that never lands, where astronauts from all over the world live and work together. The ISS isn't just a single spacecraft, it's more like a high-tech Lego build made of multiple modules joined together piece by piece over years. Countries like the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and members of the European Space Agency all chipped in. It's a symbol of international teamwork and, honestly, a little bit of friendly rivalry. But what do astronauts do up there? They're not just floating around taking selfies, although let's be honest, there are some awesome space selfies. The ISS is basically a science playground in microgravity. That means things float, flames, behave weirdly, and even your body acts totally different than it does on Earth. Scientists use this unique setting to study stuff like how our bodies react to living in space, how materials behave without gravity, and even how to grow food for future Mars missions. Some experiments up there might someday help cure diseases or solve problems here on Earth. So every day on the ISS is like a giant science experiment that never stops. Now you might be wondering, how do people even get there? Astronauts hitch a ride on rockets like SpaceX's Crew Dragon or Russia's Soyuz. Once they arrive, they have to learn to live in a place where there's no up or down, where sleeping bags are strapped to the wall, and where you need practice just to eat soup. Oh, and forget showers, wet wipes are the way to go in space. But here's the coolest part. The ISS isn't just about science. It's about bringing people together. Right now, as you're listening, someone from halfway around the world might be floating inside the same module watching the sun rise and set, 16 times a day. The ISS is proof that when we work together, we can do amazing things. So, next time you glance up at the stars, remember there are real humans living and working up there, pushing the boundaries of what we know, one orbit at a time. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be one of them. Stay curious.